From baking to decorating to eating and more, Amanda Beers is a cupcake expert with some secrets galore.
You gotta be brave.
Amanda opened up Sweet Charlie B's Cupcakery with a few recipes and a lot of heart.
I like carrot cake. Is my very favorite. Pumpkin is good.
The store is dedicated to her little girl Charlie, a Christmas baby who died of a strep infection when she was just 6.
She got sick on Saturday and it was all over on Monday.
Sweet Charlie B's is a way to keep her memory alive. And now she's ready to share what makes her cupcakes so special.
The secret to my chocolate cupcake is coffee. There's coffee in our batter. And it makes it nice and soft. Chocolate peppermint is our biggest, best, most favorite.
The key to a good cupcake is great frosting.
We're going to start with a cup and a half of butter.
Only use real butter, no substitutes. Mix in 1/8 cup of heavy cream, a teaspoon of peppermint extract, and 4 cups of powdered sugar. The secret behind the candy cane frosting? Stripe the inside of the icing bag with red food coloring. When you put the frosting in, this comes out.
Oh, Merry Christmas!
The secret to eating one? Turn it into a cupcake sandwich.
Equal distribution.
As for one secret Amanda is not willing to give up, calorie count.
I think that's information better left unsaid.
Forget the calories and just enjoy the season. I'm Vanessa Welch reporting.